see this is a solar system sponsored by the fund through CSR program. We are commissioning today, and I trust it will advance sustainable energy and also benefit the learners at large. Thank you very much.
This school had long-standing challenges of power for a very long time due to disruption of electricity in the area. And out of the challenges we had that disrupted learning, that disrupted the smooth learning and preps of our learners, we requested, we made a formal request to Policyholders Compensation Fund on a solar system that can, alleviate our problems. We are thanking that Policyholders Fund has assisted us with this system we are seeing. In front of me here is the CEO. We are very grateful. This system has panels that are 12 in number, which is 550 watts. It is a takeover where we change, the changeover where we switch from the electricity to the solar. Times we don't have the electricity, most of the times actually, almost 90% of our times we do not have the electricity. Now this system is running the whole school up to the farthest end, the mosque. This system has assisted us up to the dining hall area, dormitory area, and now at least there is light. We are very thankful that our CEO and the Policyholders Compensation Fund has given us light.
This is Balambala Secondary School, and we have come here so that we can commission this solar power system, which was funded by Policyholders Compensation Fund under their corporate social responsibility. We are happy today it is going to be commissioned by our Honorable Aden Duale, who is the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Health. We are happy. We are here with our Managing Trustee, Mr. Mohamed Sahal, and we are going to officially launch this solar power system and hand it over to the school administration. This school has been having quite a number of challenges, especially when it comes to power, and we are happy today we are bringing light to Garissa County, Balambala Secondary School, and we look forward to having a very good environment, especially when the learners come back from their holiday, and they are going to also see a difference in terms of their learning. So we are happy that Policyholders Compensation Fund chose to come to Garissa County, which is a scenario land, and we are happy to launch this power system. And we are here also waiting for our Minister, Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Health to come and commission this power system.
Bismillah.